Good morning and welcome to this morning yoga nidra for alertness and focus. I invite you to lie down comfortably on your back. Take a moment to settle in, making any adjustments so your body can remain still and warm throughout this yoga nidra practice. Gently close your eyes. Inhale, breathing in the fresh, invigorating energy, and exhale, releasing any heaviness or grogginess from the sleep. Inhale, exhale, feel the breath sharpening your focus, like sunlight slowly filling a room. And one last cycle, breathing in, exhaling slowly. And we'll set an intention. I act with clarity and purpose, allowing this intention to settle quietly in your mind. This will be quite dynamic rotation. In case your awareness strays away, continue with the currently mentioned body part, bringing the awareness to the right side of your body, sensing the right thumb, index, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, right side of the rib cage, waist, right hip, thigh, knee, shin, right ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second, third, fourth, little toe. I will go through the left side, left thumb, index, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the left hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, armpit, left side of the rib cage, left waist, hip, thigh, left knee, shin, ankle, heel, sole, top of the foot, left big toe, second, third, fourth, little toe. And now we'll move the awareness through the center of the body, back of the head, right side of the head, left side of the head, crown of the head, forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, space between the eyebrows, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, nose, tip of the nose, upper lip, lower lip, chin, throat, center of the chest, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, whole pelvis. Feel the contact between your body and the ground beneath you. Now enveloping your entire right leg with your awareness, entire left leg, and both legs simultaneously. Sensing the entire right arm and the left arm, both arms simultaneously. Sense the back of the body. front of the body and the whole body. Feel the entire body as one field of awareness. And then I invite you to imagine the morning light appearing on the horizon, slowly rising. This light represents clarity, wakefulness, and focus. A golden light touching the crown of your head and then flowing down through your whole body. Allow it to recharge every cell of yours with focus and clarity. Let the light fill your cup with inner power and drive to act with purpose today. The light is flowing all the way down to your feet. Sense yourself firmly grounded. Strong, present as a 200-year-old oak tree. Your entire body and mind illuminated, calm, and clear. And bring back your intention, repeating silently the words you've chosen for this Yoga Nidra. I act with clarity and purpose. And begin to notice your breath again as you invite movement into your fingers and toes. And if it feels good, stretch your whole body. When you're ready, roll onto your right side as you express gratitude to yourself for giving yourself this Yoga Nidra practice. And then slowly coming up to a seated position. Your morning Yoga Nidra practice is complete. And all I just want to say is thank you so much for letting me guide you. Feel free to leave your comment for more Yoga Nidra, non-sleep deep rest, and gratitude practices. Subscribe to the Relax and Thrive Yoga channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.